Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I hope you guys are all doing well. Happy New Year. It is 2021. Wanted to start the new year with something super fun by unboxing a mystery stationery box. Now this surprise box is from a little stationery shop in Texas called Little Craft Place. It is filled, it's pretty heavy, and I've seen a lot of unboxings of these boxes, so if you're familiar, you know that it's packed and with stationery goodies, so we will get to that in just a sec. The price has gone up to $55 plus shipping and handling, just so you have an idea what the box looks like. That's the size. So let's get right to it and open it up. I am going to pull it to the side so you can see it is packed. So let's start off with their cute little business card here. Now when I ordered this box, there was also an option to add their retired Hobonichi notebook weeks. So let's see if they've included that. So that's their little card. Let's start off with our first item, and I can see that they have included the Life book in weeks, and these retail for $32.99. So this is what it looks like. They had several ones that had really cute covers, but I'm super happy. This is a great way to try out the Hobonichi planners. I really love the pages. Look how pretty. This will be fun for like daily planning. Love this. And even if it isn't 2020 anymore, goodbye 2020, I can definitely use this for other purposes, collaging, an art journal. So love that. We have a little insert here about that. Now let's get to the next item. What is it? So our next item is a Mo card. We have some stickers here. So here we have some backpacks. We have a London bus. So definitely great for traveling. A little phone booth, a tent. Lots of stickers, so super cool. The next item here, ooh, I like these. These are vintage looking little binder clips. Let me just take it out of the bag. I love that. It's called Art Daily Rusty Clips. It says memories, findings, and notes. How fun is that? Next item, we have some Ticket Washi stickers here. Always fun for junk journaling. Next, we have a stamp, and this one is North Pole Express Special Delivery. Definitely using that for 2021 Christmas. I have another box, and this time we have some Kaiser style printed stationery. Cool. I think this brand is from Australia, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it is. It's the Kaiser brand. Look how pretty these look with the pink, the heart, and the stars. And what do we have here? We have a little planner charm, and I love the pom-poms by Prima Planner. Love these. And then we have the gold chain with the bead. Super cute. What else has she packed in here? We have a cute little dog and cat washi, and these retail at her store for $3.99, and I love cats and dogs. She's also included some of these mini chalkboards, and these are adorable for gift toppers or table place cards. I love these. These will be fun also, to include or attach to your journal if you'd like. Super cute. Another washi here, and I love this cute little fall theme. It's almost like we have a box that we can use all throughout the year for different season and have cute little squirrels and acorns. How adorable. It is packed. There's so much stuff in here. I love it. And then we have more animal prints with the kitty cats, some washi tape. Super cute again, great for planning. And this one's a larger item. We have the Mystic Treasures, postcard book. I'll have to open this and see what they look like. So this is again from Kaiser Craft. It's an Australian company. So I've seen some Tuesday morning hauls, and I've seen some crafters beginning to see some of these paper packs that come from that company. So this is lovely. I love these postcards. Definitely going to be able to use this for my postcard journaling series. Love that. What else do we have here? I think this one got a little loose. It's a little cute bear. And now we have, how cute, this will be perfect for Easter or spring. We have some of these brads, and they are bunnies in 2 different colors. I think that is super cute. We'll put that right there. Looks like we have another washi, and this time we have the Hello Dreamer washi tape with these different fun emojis, and I think my girls will like these for sure. These are super fun. More stuff. Oh my goodness, she included a Stylus Script Pen. I'm definitely going to give this to my daughter Lil. She will love this. It's a fountain pen. And if you've seen my Mito in a Box haul, they have given some sample fountain pen ink. I think that will be perfect for this one. It doesn't say what the retail price is, but I'm guessing this might be pretty pricey. Love the blue color on that as well. Really nice. Next we have a little sticker here, and we have a Christmas theme with the elves. Super cute. I like this. I'll definitely use that in my Christmas craft for this year. Now we have a Lucky Dip. Again, this is Christmas foil stickers, and I like the silver, and these would make great letter seals for your cards. So super cute. $1.99 for that. Ooh, I love this. Some magical. Look at these images. I like the purples, and I see some animals and magical unicorns, and we have the whale, and then the moon. Super cool. Let's see, I think these are vellum. I'm pretty sure these are vellum stickers. That's really pretty. And she has included more Kaiser Craft tags. It's just for you, and these are great for, again, for gifts, for journal making, and I like the polka dots. It's a 12 pack. It's cute. More stuff. Looks like we have more washi. Oh, I love this. This is so cool. It has that vintage musical notes. It's called Lovely Notes, and this is by Prima Traveler's Journal. So that is gorgeous. I hope you guys can see that. It comes in 3 different colors here. Black and white, some white, and this one in a little bit of a Sophia kind of finish. How cool. Let's just see how thick. That is pretty. That's a thick washi roll right there. So super cool. Excited to use that in our vintage junk journals. We have more. Wow, so more washi, and this time by Heidi Swap, and this will be perfect for spring. Look at the beautiful swallow birds. I see some camera, rainbow, some words that says hello. I also like the pinstripes there. Super pretty. I love it. Again, really thick washi too. So we're getting a lot of washi here. Let's see if we get more stickers. All right. We have How awesome. She included a traveler's notebook insert here. Let's see what the pages look like. Love this. This will be perfect for collaging. I love these types of notebooks. So excited to use that. Looks like there is another one. And this time it says number 5. What is this? Let's see. Oh, I see. It's a weekly. How cute. These are adorable inserts. I have a little traveler's notebook cover that will fit this perfectly. So I am definitely going to use that. That's so cool. And it looks like we have some pens. Hold on, let me just grab it. So she's included some pens in her previous unboxings, at least of what I've seen. She's included a lot, but let's see what we got. We have a pencil with an adorable llama or alpaca. And then we have this cute little pen. It says, "Love dolls every day." How cute. Cute little fine tip pen. How cute. I like this blue one with the monster little horns. See what that looks like. Cute little. And here's another one with a diamond at the top there. And I like this one as well. We have one that looks like a little wand with the heart, and then you turn it. This says Planner Girl. How cute. That's super cute. I like that. So a lot of different things. It looks like we're getting at the bottom, and so far I've counted over 25 items already. Look at the next item here. This is the Prima Traveler's Journal. That might go well in there, those notebooks. So let's open this up and see. Here it is, guys. It has a pretty, I love this, a sturdy cover. And then we have an elastic band. Oh my gosh, these are made for these. This is perfect. I love this. So we're going to attach that, and look at these, all the pockets. We have our little pen loop over there, and I love, again, it has that vintage print there and feel to it. So excited to use this. And this one is called Misty Rose. So super pretty. Let's see if there is anything else in here. I feel a couple more items. And this is a cute little bookmark with the Eiffel Tower. How adorable is that? That's so cute. We have that, and one last item. And we have 3 sets of medium-sized notebooks. So one has the word notes, and they are blank pages, daisies and grid pages, and then we have another one. So my girls will definitely, I'm going to give these to my girls. They love these types of notebooks, line pages. Super cool. There you have it, guys. I hope you had fun watching the unboxing of this surprise box from Little Craft Place. I sure did. Comment below. I'd love to know which item was your favorite. And stay tuned for more videos. Again, wishing you all a happy new year. Happy 21. Take good care. Again, thanks for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.